This is the Traxxas Xmaxx, first introduced in 2015 as a 6S monster truck, then later in 2017 upgraded to a 1200 kV 8S VXL brushless system. In fact, many say it's the best RC car ever made, including the godfather of RC, the man himself, Mr. Kevin Talbot, who reckons there's no RC car in the world quite like the Traxxas Xmaxx. It doesn't do everything perfect, but it does everything good. And with claims made by someone that's got over 2 million subscribers, you have to take claims like that serious. So in this video, we're gonna test it on the beach. We're also gonna see if it can ramp.
We definitely need to check how quick it is on grass.
We're gonna take it around the famous velodrome to see if it can give us a NASCAR-like feel. We'll also take it on an off-road RC track to see if you can actually race it. And then finally, we're going to take it on a flat piece of tarmac to see how fast it can go.
This is to grow this mission, a visionary, get a dictionary. We here off the ribbon, we ain't sharing, we just caring. Let me speak it to the manager.
And at the end of this video, I want you guys to decide for yourself whether the Traxxas Xmaxx is truly the best RC car ever made. Let's get into it.
Beautiful day. Beautiful day. Boom, 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 boom. The Traxxas Xmaxx has got some of the biggest wheels on an RC car. And I just think it would be fitting to try and find out whether it can actually drive on sand. And what the top speed is that we might achieve when we're driving on sand. As you can see, guys, it's a beautiful day. It looks epic. There is a lot of debris on the beach today, unfortunately. But I'm not going to let that little issue stop us from trying to get a top speed on this bad boy. Alright, so that looks like a fairly good straight to me. Is the GPS measuring speed? Is it? Is it? Yes, it is. Alright, let's give it a bash. Got a top speed on it. Right, let's bring it back. Right, let's see what we've got, guys. I damn you. 65 kilometers, 65.7 kilometers per hour, guys. That is just nuts. Epic stuff. Alright, so let's go to the next test. We need to find out what would the top speed be on grass. So I've got this beautiful grass field here, guys. On a windy day, luckily I've got my DJI mic that will handle some of the wind noise. So let's quickly give it a rip and see how fast it will be. So I've got the GPS. It is measuring speed, guys. I've got my 2 cameras on there as well. Let's give it a go and see what we can get. And go! is 62.9 kilometers per hour, guys. That's very respectable, almost 63 kilometers per hour. So that's a good speed, guys. So now that we know how fast it is on grass, we probably need to start figuring out how it ramps. I've got 2 ramps here, and I see a nice place to ramp. Maybe we should ramp. Right, let's do it. Oh, camera goes. Oh, I just love this thing, guys. Let's bring it back again. Whoa! What a wheelie. Oh, I love it. 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 But we still haven't established yet if it is the best RC car in the world, guys. There's still a couple of tests that we need to do. Alright, guys, so if the Traxxas Xmaxx is the best RC car in the world, certainly we must be able to figure out whether it can actually ramp. Now, I've got 2 of my ramps here, and I'm pretty sure we should be able to see if it can go flat out. Oh yes! A little bit more speed this time around. Oh yeah! Right, guys, we are back here at the velodrome, and this is the part where we are going to see whether the Traxxas Xmaxx can go around the track. Now, as you guys know, the velodrome is famous. If you haven't seen my 13-car velodrome RC car speed test, go check it out, guys. It is on my channel. I'll also link it in the description down below. I want to see whether the Traxxas Xmaxx is the best RC car in the world. If it is, it should be able to go around a round track like this. Alright, guys, so let's see what this Traxxas Xmaxx can do around this track. So let's go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Awesome, guys, really awesome. Turn, let's do it one more time. I think we should be able to know what speed it can achieve around this track by now. Awesome. All right, okay, let's bring it back. Kicking up some grass. Okay, guys, so 64.6 kilometers per hour. 64.6 kilometers per hour. That's a really good speed, guys. We did, however, get it faster on the sand, which is really impressive. I would like to know how fast this thing is going to go on a straight line. So let's go to the new fast straight line speed test location. Alright, guys, we are now at our new straight line speed location, and as you can see, guys, it's a massive straight. I can't wait to bring my Arma Vendetta down this straight, but for today we are going to find out what is the top speed of the Traxxas Xmaxx, the world's best RC car, on a straight line. So the GPS, I believe, is zeroed out. Yes, it is. I've got the 2 cameras on the roof recording the rear and the front, so let's see what we can get. Just want to get the batteries warm up a little bit, guys. It is quite cold this morning. Right, let's turn it around, bring it back. Just gonna do 2 passes like this. Just want to get those batteries hot. Quite chilly this morning. Right. Yeah, the Traxxas Xmaxx. Right, guys. Let's give it the beans. Alright guys, that's top speed for quite some time. Let's bring it back down. Alright. Okay, one down guys. .6 kilometers per hour. Alright guys, I'm going to give it as that is the top speed on a straight line guys. So the Traxxas Xmaxx at 65.6 kilometers per hour. Alright guys, so here we are at the beautiful RC racetrack. Now if the Traxxas Xmaxx is the best RC car in the world, surely we'll be able to take it around this track. Beautiful track guys. And look how beautiful the mountain looks today. Mount Taranaki. Now what is nice is this pit is actually wide enough for the Xmaxx, so let's give it a rip. And the fastest we got it around the racetrack here is 44.5 kilometers per hour. Now I'm pretty sure I could have gotten it a little bit faster guys, but yeah, I don't want to be damaging the track. So. Okay guys, so in conclusion, is the Traxxas Xmaxx the best RC car in the world? Well, I don't know. It's not really as fast. I mean, my Arma Vendetta is a really fast car, and I think that topped out at about 65 point something kilometers per hour, which is not the fastest RC car I have. Is it the best jumper? I wouldn't say so, no. The Traxxas Max is definitely a much more capable jumper. It's really nimble in the air. I think the power that it has, it's much more appropriate to its body size, and I really think that is an awesome vehicle. Is it my most powerful RC car? No. I mean, my Rovan LT here, it's got a 750 kV brushless motor, and that thing is just absolutely mental. I mean, look how big it is against the Traxxas Xmaxx. It's a huge size difference. Is the Traxxas Xmaxx my most realistic looking vehicle? No. I mean, there I've got a RGT crawler that I built up, and that really looks awesome. I think it's really realistic. It's got a nice trailer guys. Look at my wood I've got on there. I really think it looks awesome. So in conclusion then guys, is the Traxxas Xmaxx the best RC car in the world? Well, I don't think so in my opinion. I personally think it's a little bit underpowered, and I hated that the pinion gear, doesn't matter how much blue Loctite I put on it, it always seems to come loose after a couple of driving sessions. But there is no doubt that it is very capable. It's a very capable vehicle, and it's a good all-rounder because it can do a little bit of what all of these RC cars can do as well. So from me, it gets a huge thumbs up. Awesome stuff. If you like this video, please give it a like, and also if you have not done so yet, please subscribe to the channel. I'm John from TechSpace. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.
Fiddler Joe from Kokomo took lessons on a piccolo.